Come back to another video. If you are new to online business, then of course you will think on how to get traffic to your website or anything. Here is a new app which help users to gain traffic. Clips Reel. What if they could hand you a massive shortcut that lets you create profitable traffic getting videos in just minutes instead of hours? And what if it were as simple as copying and pasting any website URL or text? We don't know about you, but we feel that technology should make life easier, not more difficult. And the same is true when it comes to video. Especially with access to AI technology. So our team got together to see how we could make the process for creating traffic getting profitable videos easier. Specifically, the solution had to be able to work fast and be able to create videos in minutes instead of hours. Have a seamless workflow and give total control over the entire video creation process from A to Z. Take content from just about any source with a URL, product description page, or copy-pasted text. Be easy to use, even for non-techie beginners. Have everything necessary to make a stunning video without juggling between multiple apps with monthly payments. Here is what owner is saying. To gain traffic. If you want to see their example videos, then you watch it in the link given in description box. According to me, this product is useful for beginners to the online world. It will be useful for them. Thank you.